Alright, y'all, this is Kicking It with Ben, old Benny Ben. Alright, what this video here is going to be about is, air tools. Air tools. Now, I most certainly, and it looks like correctly and gently made the right decision. But at the time, it bugged me. Because I went to Lowe's and I was actually after porta cable. I was trying to make all my stuff porta cable. And you know, I stated in one of my last videos that the storm demolished 99% of my tubes. So I was having to replace everything. So I was trying to keep everything portio cable. Well, just so happened in the sale paper they had a porta cable pancake. I think it's what they call the 6-gallon. Right there she is. Now, porta cable had exactly the same air guns. There's 3 of them. As this Bostitch. See, they was out of the porta cable brand. That's how none of it stopped. Well, I needed it right then. Well, Bostitch. That brand right there. I think I'm pronouncing it right. They had exactly the same outfit, same size and everything, for the same price. The Benz, I needed it. Kicking with Ben, went ahead and got it. Well, now Kicking with Ben's glad he did because I've always tried to stay away from Bostitch stuff. Well, under the circumstances, I was forced into it. Well, I have used this stapler. It takes regular old T50 staples, just like the old silver ones you buy for $12, $15. I've used it numerous of times. Well satisfied. I love it. I don't think I'll go back and get porta cable now. You pay. Then and only then. I got this finish gun. Whoa. It's supposed to be for a hammer. But anyway, I forget this. It carries 16 gauge. I call them wire nail finish gun. I always take the gun with me and tell them to give me what fits it and tell them what length to get. I think I'm shooting, I don't know, 2-inch, 2.25, or whatever it is. Finish nails. Okay, well satisfied with it. Glory. Well, last but not least, a little old brad nailer. I haven't really used it on no work. I mean, I've shot it a few times just to make sure it shot mules, and it did. But anyway, this is a tool talk with Kicking It with Ben. Just to let y'all know, Hunky Ben is well satisfied with Bostitch. They have got an impact drill that I'm gonna try it. It ain't for $79. But anyway, this is a tool talk with Kicking It with Ben. And we will kick it again. Y'all look at that nice air compressor one more time, and I have run it to death, and she's still ticking like a Timex watch, yes sir. But anyhow, this is Kicking It with Ben with Tool Talk. And we will kick it again, so don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And hit that little bell over there so you get notifications when I slaying these videos out there out of my pants leg, that is. Whoa! Later, Gator.